Key to staying warm this season is to dodge the draft in your home. Windows and doors are the worst offenders.
You can see the light, and if you stand close enough, you'll feel a really nice draft coming through there.
That's not so nice for your pocketbook. Good thing Hugh Sutherland owns House Doctors. One of his handymen, Bill Simpson, is on the job with a prescription to remedy what ails his 100-year-old home.
When the door closes, these fins will stop the air from coming underneath the door.
Take a walk around your house, and chances are you may need to do some winter work too.
There are several products on the market that you can get to install to seal those cracks and to make your home weather tight.
In a modern home, you'd want to change filters. In an older home that uses hot water heaters, you'd want to bleed out the air. A programmable thermostat helps you cut your bill, and be sure to cut off lights and repair leaky faucets too. Even consider closing off rooms you don't use. Every little thing counts.
See this gap right here? When the wind blows, the air goes right in there.
Don't forget to take a walk outside your home. When cold air gets behind your walls, it will come right through your electrical outlets and any other crevice in your home. Some foam insulation around a gas pipe, that's a good idea too. And whether you do it yourself or call for help, a few steps can add up to a season's worth of savings.
And you can see that